most students waste months buying random courses and never finishing them. Some buy a course because it is trending, some because a senior suggested it, and some because it was on a discount. But a few weeks later, that same course sits in their account, unwatched, outdated, and doing absolutely nothing for their career. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make while preparing for 2026, because the wrong course doesn't just waste your time. It delays your growth, makes you feel overwhelmed, confused, and uninterested in the skills you actually want to build. Now, the good news is I can help you cut through the noise a little bit. I've personally completed several courses over the years, and in this video, I will be sharing 5 courses that will actually help you move closer to real job-ready skill set. Now, these courses that I have picked stay relevant across cloud, data, and AI. And I've broken them down into 3 levels. 2 beginner courses if you're just starting out, 2 intermediate courses if you already know the basics, and 1 advanced course which will help you level up. And make sure you stay till the end, because I have one bonus project that basically everyone should take irrespective of their current level. So let's get started. Drum rolls, please. Our first beginner-friendly course is Cloud Computing Fundamentals by Google. Now, why this course? This is a 4-part series that covers a spectrum of, first, the cloud computing fundamentals, second, infrastructure in Google Cloud, third, network and security, and fourth, data, ML, and AI fundamentals. And since it's created and maintained by Google, the explanations are industry grade and also consistently updated. So no outdated content here. Now, let's jump into what you will actually learn through these modules. The first one is the core cloud concepts: compute, storage, databases, security, networking, all the essentials. Second, how compute, storage, and network, the core components, work within a cloud environment. Basically, how it communicates and are all connected. You will also get a high-level understanding of data, ML, and AI workflows, basically from data ingestion to deployment. It's a crucial thing to know right now. And the most important piece here, you get the hands-on experience through the Google Cloud Labs. So you're not just doing theory, but you're also applying it by building environment. Once you have these fundamentals on, now it's time to move to a tool that every cloud engineer relies on. Yes, we are talking about Kubernetes. Course number 2 is Kubernetes for absolute beginners. For the theory portion, you have 2 real good options. The first one is the free Kubernetes Getting Started course on Udemy. It's simple, beginner friendly, and walks you through the core concepts through tutorials. The second option is YouTube itself. Tech World with Nana has an excellent beginner friendly Kubernetes playlist that explains every concept using visuals. That makes the concepts click fast. Feels a bit like an inception. But in the end, my job is to recommend what is best for you. Now, going back to the course, this was just the theory portion. To complement it, we have free labs by Code Cloud. Why this course? As you know, Kubernetes is the core of cloud, DevOps, SRE, platform engineering. So learning it early gives you a strong technical advantage. For the approach, you start with the theoretical piece, go through the course tutorials or the YouTube playlist, get comfortable with the concepts like architecture, objects, controllers, deployment, services, and then jump into the real hands-on labs by Code Cloud, where you will actually deploy apps, be more closer to the Kubernetes environment, use the kubectl CLI just to understand how clusters behave in real time. Now, what you'll learn through the course. Number 1 is what are containers and Kubernetes, and why are companies using them? Second, the core components, like I mentioned earlier, pods, deployments, nodes, services, etc., etc. Then you go into the application side of Kubernetes, how are apps deployed into a cluster. And in the end, you will also learn about the basic troubleshooting, which is again the most important piece in any course. You do labs or you do real world deployments so you can break things and actually troubleshoot them. That should be your mindset. Don't run away from it. Now, once you have some clarity around the basic cloud experience and one of the most in demand tools like Kubernetes, now it's time to learn real world data and workflow skills. Course number 3 is Data Engineering by Zoomcamp. Now, why this course? It is one of the best data engineering courses online. And why I'm saying that? Because it teaches production grade pipelines and tools that companies actually use. It covers everything from orchestration to warehousing to streaming, and the biggest piece is it helps you understand how data flows within large-scale systems. Now, let's dive a little deeper around what you will learn through this course. Number 1 is data ingestion using Python and SQL. Here, you will learn how to pull data from APIs, files, databases, and then load it into a warehouse. Then you will learn about ETL pipelines using Airflow. This is where you learn the build and automation part. Then you will go a little deeper and understand about batch and streaming through Spark and Kafka. It's basically how to process large data sets into batches and how to handle real-time data using event streams. The best thing is you will also build an end-to-end project using BigQuery and dbt. So you will go through the whole workflow: ingest, transform, model, and analyze. Next up is, again, we need to stay relevant in 2026, and how can we forget about AI? The next course is perfect for that because it's all about AI infrastructure. This is one of the free courses offered by NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute. Now, why this course? NVIDIA teaches the core of modern AI systems in simple and a very structured way. It will help you understand about GPUs, AI acceleration, workflows, which, by the way, are becoming the essentials for cloud and ML roles. Also, this is a very high quality industry grade course which is frequently updated. It helps you understand the hardware and the logic behind the AI development. What you will learn from this course: GPU and acceleration basics, model deployment foundations, AI workflows and optimizations, basically how LLMs, aka large language models, are trained and served. So you get the foundations of AI here. Now, don't be scared because this course can really help you upskill. Trust me. Now let's jump into an advanced course. This course will help you stand out with real AI projects. The course is Fast.ai. It's a practical deep learning course for coders. Why this course? It's extremely hands-on and project-driven. Teaches deep learning in the way engineers actually use in the real companies. Covers vision, NLP, GPUs, deployment in one powerful curriculum. It's also one of the most respected and advanced AI courses in the world right now. Now, what you will learn from this course? Number one is deep learning concepts and architectures. Number two is image and text models. Number three is training and fine-tuning technique. And now the bonus course. This is one of those courses that every single person should take no matter what level they are at. This is the Google AI Essentials course by Coursera. It's absolutely free to audit. Now, why this course? AI is now a part of every career, whether you're in cloud, software, data, and even in business. This course will help you understand how to use AI tools to improve your productivity as well as your thinking. Also, they have simple lessons that anyone can follow, and it will help you build confidence in AI assisted workflows. So what you will learn from this course is how to use AI for writing, planning, and brainstorming, how to automate daily tasks with AI tools, like maybe summarizing emails or automating replies to certain emails. Also, to use AI to improve decision making, and it'll also give you some real world examples of how to use AI at work. So these are the 5 courses that will help you become job ready for 2026. And the bonus course is something all of you should definitely take because AI skills are becoming absolutely essential no matter what career path you take. Remember, you do not need to take 10 different courses and a bunch of other certifications in order to be ready. You just need the consistency to finish the few that you have in your bucket. You will already be far ahead of most students who learn without a proper plan. Also, all the courses that I shared today is in the description below, so make sure you grab the links. And if you found this video useful, make sure you like it and share it with someone who's also confused around courses right now. And comment below which level you are at and what course you're planning to take next. I'd love to see what you're up to next. And make sure to subscribe to this channel for more cloud career guides and learning paths. And I will see you in the next video.